I wish someone had told me this when I was your age. That life doesn't wait. That time doesn't pause for anyone. That the decisions we ignore today become the regrets we carry tomorrow. But no one did. So today, I will. When I was younger, I believed in later. I'll start studying later. I'll call my friend later. I'll work on myself, maybe next week. But later is tricky. It gives you comfort today and guilt tomorrow. And the truth, there's never a perfect time. No perfect moment when your mind feels sharp, your heart feels calm, and the world feels ready. You make time perfect by starting, even if it's messy, even if it's small. I remember one student, Meera, quiet, average grades, always doubting herself. One day she stayed back after class and said, "Ma'am, I feel like everyone's moving ahead and I'm stuck." So we talked, not about marks, but about meaning. We made a simple plan: 20 minutes of focused study, journaling before bed, and asking why before every decision. Months passed. She didn't become a topper overnight, but she became someone who showed up for herself. That changed everything. You see, time doesn't want you to do everything. It just wants you to do what matters.